There is a lot of evidence showing that defibrillators drastically increase the chance of survival from cardiac arrest. Defibrillators have the potential to save lives of pupils, staff and visitors in schools. Latest research shows that accessing a defibrillator within 3 to 5 minutes of a cardiac arrest increases the chance of survival by over 40%. The Oliver King Foundation, which is supported by ex-footballer Jamie Carragher, has worked tirelessly to raise awareness of this issue. Since meeting with the Foundation's founder Mark King, who tragically lost his son Oliver at the age of 12 to cardiac arrest, the government has worked with charities and experts, including the British Heart Foundation, to identify the scale of the need across English schools. The Department of Education is planning to provide all state-funded schools across England with defibrillators. This will ensure that there's a life-saving device in every school and boost the number of defibrillators in the communities across the country. It is really important that they are available close to sports halls and playing fields that children, young people in the community can use daily. There are already requirements for schools to teach first aid as part of the curriculum. Secondary school pupils are being taught life-saving methods such as CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, and also why defibrillators are used. While many schools already have defibrillators on site, the purpose of the programme is to fill the gaps to ensure more schools and local communities have access to this important first aid equipment. State-funded schools will be surveyed to assess the number of devices needed to ensure all will have access, with the figure estimated at more than 20,000 units in total. The government has committed to funding at least one defibrillator in every school, with more for larger sites. And finally, to complement this rollout, we've got a pro trainings course which is free to all schools at studentfirstaid.co.uk, where students can complete a video online course free of charge, and also teachers can then teach a practical module that goes with it to make sure that all students have basic first aid skills.